How to hard reset a Sharp washing machine. So in order to hard reset it, first of all, turn off the washer and unplug it from the outlet. Afterwards, simply wait for at least 3 to 5 minutes before plugging it back in. This particular step is going to clear the temporary fault that is stored in the control system. Afterwards, simply turn the washer back on and you just have to simply press the start and the pause button in order to cancel any running cycle. If your model has a cancel or the stop option, you can use that as well. This is going to ensure that the washer is not stuck in an incomplete program. You can also rotate the program selector knob to the off position and then back to the normal wash mode. Do not start immediately, just simply wait for a few seconds, and this is going to help the washer reload its default cycle settings. Now for quick wash and the inner rinse cycle without any cloth inside, you can just simply let it run completely, and this is going to stabilize the water level sensors and drum operations after the reset. So that's how you can reset it. Thank you.